If you're new to the game, these are 25 fall fragrances you must own. No debates, no excuses. And we're doing this in 90 seconds. Let's go!
Valentino, Born Aroma Intense.
Sexy Stank Juice.
Hugo, Boss, The Scent.
Come here, shout.
Coach, Platinum.
If Kendrick Lamar was a fragrance.
YSLY, EDP.
This is sharper than a Ginsu.
Salvatore Ferragamo, Uomo.
It's coffee, but cologne.
Maison, Margiela, Jazz Club.
It's whiskey, cigars, and drip.
Jean-Paul Gaultier, Le Malt, Le Parfum.
Vanilla for gangster.
Tom Ford, Ombre, Leather.
Assless cowboy chaps.
Armani, Stronger With You.
Can we cuddle?
Victor and Roth, Spice Bomb Extreme.
Spice boom, baby!
Paco Rabanne, 1 Million Lucky.
Hazelnut flex, my guy.
Azzaro, The Most Wanted.
Charming, but hide your girl.
Bulgari, Man in Black.
It's hot and spicy.
Versace, Eros, Flame.
On fire, dog.
Jean-Paul Gaultier, Le Mans, Elixir.
Vanilla got muscles.
Givenchy Gentleman, Reserve Privé.
Whiskey, but fancy.
Rabanne, Invictus Parfum.
Freshness on crack.
Tom Ford, Noir Extreme.
Dessert for grown-ups.
L'Homme Eau de Parfum.
Smooth criminal vibes.
Dior, Homme Parfum.
Applying pressure.
Dolce & Gabbana, The One.
You old dirty bastard.
Armani, Stronger With You, Intensely.
Oh, baby, I like it. Whoa.
Bleu de Chanel, Parfum.
Boss moves on.
Prada, Luna Rosa, Black.
Mysterious as hell.
Maison, Margiela by the Fireplace.
Back for seconds, eh? Boom! 25 fragrances in 90 seconds. Think you can top them? Put your top picks below.